Welcome to PolicyBox. Thank you for joining this short tour. I'm really excited to be able to take you through some of the functionality that we've got out of this first release. As an overview, PolicyBox is a policy and compliance management tool that takes complex information like legislation, compliance policies, rules, and allows users to kind of use a really simple to use framework and be able to make sense out of all that complexity and turn it into really simple workflow. So I'll just show you the overview. There are videos on each of the separate areas of PolicyBox where we dive into things such as how to create a matter, how to work with the AI and LLM, how to add policies into the master policy section and reporting and so forth. So they are available. Very quickly, this is the main screen in PolicyBox. It shows the matters that are being worked on, and it's able to be sorted by various mechanisms such as, last updated date, the risk, the status of the matter, so you can easily find matters that you've been working on. To create a new matter, it's really easy. You press the Create New Matter button, and you simply select the master policy, so kind of the stream of work that you want to work within. You can see I've got a few here: AML, employee onboarding, a medical triage policy, just to name a couple that I've got there, contract management policy, and you choose one. So we'll choose AML, anti-money laundering. You would type in a question or ask the AI to read the policies and outline a set of steps for a matter. Or you could use previously used prompts. So if you're constantly working on a similar type of thing, there may be a prompt that's just easy to click on and works for you. Selecting or creating a client, so you can have multiple clients that you're working with. And then you simply hit the Generate Matter button. And that would generate the matter. We'll show you how that works in detail in the actual how to create a matter video. There's a section around master policies and policies. So this simply allows you to have a sort of stream of policy. As I mentioned before, they can be really varied. This is where you store the policy documents that get read by the AI. That's really easy and intuitive to use. You simply will take the employee onboarding as an example. You simply would create a policy with a headline like employee onboarding, and you'd start to add documents. And it really is as easy as going into adding a document by clicking Add New Document and uploading the document. There's 3 levels of rules or policy documents that can be enabled. One is the base level regulations. That's kind of like the base stuff. That might be legislation or a really big complex document. That's kind of really the ground of the policy. There are legal compliance options. That's the next level up. That gets read in precedent over the first level. And then there's really binary rules, things that you want to do. And they're really easy to create as well. And we'll show you that in a separate video. So that effectively gets the documents and the policies up there, and the create matter that we just showed you allows you to work with those policies. Once you've worked with those policies, what you'll find is that you'll get a result back, and it might look something like this. This is one we've created earlier, which is a set of steps that you can then work on, complete, update, and that effectively becomes the workflow. Within the site as well, there is reporting functionality. So there's a sort of large stream of reporting that's available to everyone. There's company settings. Company settings are really important because it helps the AI think about you in the context of your request that you're making. And then there's also this really cool white label environment where you could have your customers consuming the policies that you create. And that's really effective if you're an organization like a franchise group, or if you're a legal or an accounting firm and you've got many customers and you want to proliferate policies or legal opinions out to them, they can be sitting at the end of that, and you can manage those policies out to those organizations through that scheme. And then there's also things like the management of clients and companies, so companies that you're working with. So it's effectively a full management program wrapped around complex legislation and a really easy, intuitive AI approach to being able to remove the complexity and work within really complex regulatory environments. So thank you. There's a few other videos that are up on the site. Feel free to browse, have a look, and hopefully you get excited enough to try it. Thank you.